Welcome to Study Loop.
In this problem, I will use the lens formula for the objective lens. I can write it as 1 by v naught minus 1 by u naught is equal to 1 by f naught. On further simplification, I can write 1 by v naught plus 1 by zero point 0.5 is equal to 1 by 1. On further solving, 1 by v naught is equal to 1 minus 10 by 5, which is equal to minus 1. So finally, I can write the value of v naught is equal to minus 1 centimeter. Now using the lens formula for eyepiece, so I can write 1 by VE minus 1 by UE is equal to 1 by FE. Putting the value here, 1 by 30 minus 1 by UE is equal to 1 by 5. On solving it further, I can write the expression as minus 1 by UE is equal to 1 by 5 minus 1 by 30, which is equal to 6 minus 1 by 30. On solving it further, I get the value of UE as minus 6 centimeter. So the separation between the objective and the eyepiece, let it be x, is equal to 6 minus 1 centimeter, which is equal to 5 centimeter as the answer.